Hello, I'm Annie Harmon and welcome to the Wilbur Museum. Today I'm going to show you some really gross things that just popped into the May Museum. It's called the Animal Grossology exhibit. Why don't you come check it out? But I warn you, it's seriously gross and I'm not kidding.
The Animal Grossology exhibit at the Wilbur Museum is based on the popular Grossology books written by Sylvia Brand-Zai. This highly interactive family exhibit mixes education with giggles to help introduce kids to natural science. Oozing with disgusting science and interactive learning games, Animal Grossology is sure to provide a unique perspective on the least loved members of the animal kingdom.
Like, I'm using a lot of energy to make that slimy stuff. Oh man, I think I'll just kick back into my shell after the show.
How do we battle this insidious foe? Roll video, please.
You really have to be here in person to appreciate this one. Man, does that stink. This may be more than you want to know about smells. Dung ball rally, you get to roll balls of poop up a mountain and beat the other kids.
Not surprising, since I live in the seafloor's I sometimes have a house guest. He's a pearlfish. He doesn't ring the doorbell. He prefers to swim into my slimy butt opening. Now
Gross! What do you think was the grossest part of the exhibit?
Those things back in the back that would tell you about slime and stuff.
it scares me so much that I shoot my intestines out of my butt. Not only does it surprise my enemies, it tangles them up in my stringy, gooey intestines. Well, once the threat is over, I can settle down and grow a whole new set of guts. Phew, what a workout!
What's your favorite part of the exhibit?
The cow burping.
We're not even going to talk about tapeworms. When you see poop now, are you going to think about something else instead of just ew?
I don't know. Maybe I'll think of like what kind, but I would think ew.
What do you think was the grossest part of the exhibit? The poop matching.
The smells. The gross smells. The grossest smells.
The grossest smells.
The tapeworm.
The tapeworm. Gross.
Animal Grossology was created and produced by Advanced Exhibits, a division of Advanced Animations LLC, in collaboration with Sylvia Branzai, the author of the Grossology series of books. This exhibit is supported by a generous grant from the Wilbur May Foundation. Additional sponsorship was provided by the Reno News and Review. Animal Grossology is on display at the Wilbur D. May Museum in Rancho San Rafael Regional Park through April 18, 2010. The museum is open Wednesdays through Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please call area code 775-823-6500 or visit us online at www.washoecountyparks.com.
So what are you waiting for? Come down to the May Museum and get the poop on why gross is good.